Long ago, there were no cars at all. People walked everywhere, or rode horses, making travel very slow and tiring. People waited and got tired. They wanted something better and faster to help them travel. In 1885, a clever inventor named Carl Benz lived in Germany. He loved machines and building new things. One day, Carl had a big idea. Can a car move with no horse? This was a very new and strange thought. Carl worked day and night. Slowly, he built a small motor that used gasoline. Then he built a small car. This car had only 3 wheels, and looked very unusual, unlike anything anyone had ever seen. One day, Carl started the motor, and the car moved. It was slow, but it was the very first car. But people laughed. They said, "It's too noisy and too slow." Carl felt sad, but he still believed in his idea. Carl was not alone. His brave wife, Bertha Benz, believed in him and his car. One morning, Bertha made a big decision. She secretly took the car for a long trip to show the world its truth. She drove over 100 kilometers. People stared in surprise, asking, "What is that? A car with no horse?" Her journey was not easy. The car stopped many times, and the motor had problems. Bertha was far from home. But she did not stop. She fixed the car with her own hands, and even bought fuel at a pharmacy. Step by step, she continued her journey. At last, she arrived, very tired, but also very happy. After her amazing journey, people started to think, maybe the car was useful, maybe it was the future. More inventors built cars. Cars became stronger, faster, and better, changing the world forever. Today, cars are everywhere. We use them every day to go to work, school, and visit friends and family. But remember, the first car was small and simple. It was the beginning of something very big. Next time you see a car, think about Carl's simple idea and Bertha's brave journey. They changed the world.